The biggest business story in South Africa for some time now, Steinhoff losing over 60% of its value today. And to give you an idea, you've got 100 Rand in your bank today. And you go to bed and you wake up in the next morning and it's only worth 40 Rand. That's exactly what's happened today. Anyway, our reporter Nompo Sizaba has more on this story.
To call it a dramatic day on the local equities market would be an understatement. From Friday last week, Steinhoff shares are said to have lost roughly 150 billion Rand of value. The company has been a market darling for fund managers, with many allocating some of the share in their clients' portfolios. With everything now up in the air, a massive sell-off has ensued. And now that the man who has helped to turn the company's fortunes around has left the picture, confidence in the company is at an all-time low.
Markus Jooste, been at the company for 29 years. He's one of the people whose brainchild current Steinhoff is. He's the one who's built it to where it is at the moment. Having him leave says that there's something big that's going to come out. The problem is we just don't know at the moment. Audited numbers or any numbers were delayed, so we don't know what they look like for 6 months. Jooste leaving means that he's leaving because of it's a big reason. I would say a lot bigger than allegations of tax evasion, because that's a subjective matter. This is probably something a bit more sinister, which is concerning. And it looks like fund managers are taking the view of we don't want to wait and see. Let's rather get out, cut our losses and move on.
Steinhoff has been under the radar of German investigators who are looking into alleged irregular accounting practices. The company indicated on Monday that it would release unaudited financial results today. But once announcing the departure of its CEO, it then announced that the release of the results would be postponed, causing further panic. This combination of factors has left many asking what is the real story and whether Steinhoff has overvalued its assets, as is alleged. It's a worrisome situation as the company's gross debt of 100 billion Rand is more than the company's worth. The debt has been accrued as Steinhoff has gone on a massive acquisition drive, purchasing key assets in the US and the UK. Steinhoff says it's hired PwC to independently investigate the alleged irregularities. In the meantime, the share price continues to fall like a stone. Nompo Sizaba, SABC News, Johannesburg.